Alright guys, I just wanted to make a short little video just because I haven't seen that many YouTube videos on how to fix this particular issue I had with my truck with not starting. I had the truck for about a week and it ran fine, ran perfectly fine, and I was hooking a trailer up to it after having it about 5 days, just sitting there idling while I was hooking the trailer up. It just died and it would not start. It just turned over and turned over and turned over, wouldn't start. So, I checked the fuel pressure in the spark. It had perfectly good fuel pressure, did not have spark. So, the first thing I changed was the ignition coil, and it did not fix it. And I believe the issue was the pickup coil in the distributor. And I changed the entire distributor. It's hard to see it in there. Changed the entire distributor to a new one and changed new spark plugs. And it runs just fine now. This is the old distributor here, and the pickup coil's in there. And that was my issue. Runs just fine now. I'll start it up for you guys. All it would do before is crank and not start. Runs perfectly fine now. Thanks for watching, guys.